Understanding, in the habit of, a guide to everyday English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, in the habit of. This phrase is often used in daily conversations, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's dive in. In the habit of is a phrase used to describe a regular pattern or behavior that someone does often. When you say someone is in the habit of doing something, it means that it's a normal part of their routine or character. For example, she's in the habit of reading before bed. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. John is in the habit of jogging every morning. They are in the habit of having family dinners every Sunday. These sentences show how the phrase can be used to talk about regular activities or routines. Now, let's practice forming sentences. Try to describe one of your daily habits using this phrase. Think of a habit someone you know has, and describe it with, in the habit of. This exercise helps in applying the phrase in real-life contexts. It's important to avoid common mistakes. Don't use this phrase for one-time actions. It's only for repeated behaviors. Remember, it's in the habit of, not on the habit of, or at the habit of. Great job today! Understanding phrases like, in the habit of, can make a big difference in your English fluency. Keep practicing, and don't forget to incorporate what you've learned into your daily conversations. See you in our next video, and happy learning!